In this video, I will show you how to target and exclude specific devices on Google Ads. So to do this, just go and open up Google Ads and here go to Campaigns, click on the Campaigns dropdown and click Campaigns. Now find the campaign you want to do this for and hover over it and then click on the Settings icon. Now from there you will see devices, so all eligible devices is what it's currently set to for this campaign. Click on the drop down and then click Set Specific Targeting for Devices. Now let's say I don't want to target TV screens, then I'll just go and disable that one. And let's say I also don't want tablets, then I'll also uncheck that one. Then click Save All Changes. And now you will only be targeting the devices that you left checked. So now you know how to target specific devices on Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.